Hi guys, so I am vlogging on a new camera. This is the Canon G7X Mark II, and I just ordered it, and I'm going to start making videos with it. I wasn't vlogging there for a while just because I didn't have a camera for it. I was using my iPhone, but what was happening with that was I would record things and then the storage on my phone would just like get taken up by all the videos I was shooting. So I wanted to order this camera, so I went ahead and got that, and I'm really excited about it because it's really high quality. Like, if you guys can't tell, I'm in my car at night right now, not to be weird, but the camera quality is like really good and I can't get over it. So I'm just gonna be doing like a little spring break week in my life vlog sorta kinda deal. I look like a total right now, and that's because I was at work all day, but I keep looking at the screen. The screen is like above me. I'm going to get ice cream with my friend Madison, so it should be lit. We're gonna go to Culver's, so I'm excited because I always go to McDonald's and I never get the custard because I'm always at McDonald's. So I will catch you guys when we get to Culver's. We made it to Culver's. Hello. It's recording. All right, we are at Culver's. What are we getting? What'd you get?
I got something so complicated. I got Oreo, cookie dough, salted caramel with whipped cream on top. It's like a little mixer thing. I was really extra, you know.
Everyone else decided to come to Culver's today too. There's not really a line right now.
What'd you get, Hannah?
I got a vanilla mixer with I got a vanilla mixer that's a short size with sprinkles mixed in, cookie dough, and whipped cream on top. Alright, we got the goods except for mine. It looks really good, actually.
Yes, it does. I know.
Got that caramel on the side? No.
I know.
I'm gonna wait for mine. I'm so excited for mine. That looks so
like
good. I just got mine. Ooh, my nail looks really bad. I got vanilla and not birthday sprinkles. I got sprinkles mixed in and cookie dough and whipped cream on top. Because I'm extra. Update. You can see the cookie dough with the blue sprinkles in there. I'm not really sure why the sprinkles are only blue, but it's fine. It is so cold. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Oh, wait, you got a new camera?
Precious when you
I always press it first because sometimes it pushes out some strawberry kiwi Fanta. I don't want that in my mellow yellow.
Here we are.
So
We're in Whataburger. How is life, Cat?
it's good.
How is it, Jacqueline?
Good. I just work all the time.
Wait, what did you say? Where are my fries at?
Where are my fries? Jacqueline, where are your fries? I still have a video on my phone.
It's on YouTube still.
Is it really?
Where are my fries at? I'll insert a clip right here. A flashback.
Where are my fries at?
I have no idea.
I don't know where my fries.
Where's my pal at? What's his name?
We're at the usual. Oh my gosh, it like turned pink. I got pink water, bro. Is yours pink?
You too.
Out the water.
Here, want to record this?
What is it?
A frozen French fry that got stuck in my hole.
That's disgusting.
I know, it feels. Touch it. It's gross.
Cat, look, this doesn't even look like me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're so cute.
Kat, why did you post so much on your finger? There you go.
I got it. It's crying. Country mom. Oh my god. Country boy, I love you.
I don't like that one. I love it.
Way to kill the
I
vibe.
didn't finish my story.
Not casually. This is not casual.
Yeah, I know.
They have swimsuits on.
He was like,
They literally.
tonight, and I was like, not that I know of. And
Yo.
he was like, who are you?
Back at it with the vlog. It's recording. Country boy, I love you.
Huh? Did you wash your hands?
I did. Good job.
It's on repeat in my mind. Wait, what is country boy? I love how it's sitting on her face. Can you guys do the dance that's like the I want to try. I want to try, but I feel like I'm going to embarrass myself.
Not. Should we try it?
No, definitely not.
Right now.
Why is it on a cloud? He's the dog of wisdom.